Good morning, students. Hope everyone are safe. Myself Harita. I am here to teach you 4th class science. So, the first chapter, food and digestion. In this, we learn already about the food. In the food, what are the nutrients, etc. We learned in the food previous classes. Now we are learning about the digestion. We are learning about the digestion of our body. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of digestion? Means the process of break down the food into simpler substance which is used to our body. This process is called as digestion. This process is called as digestion. What is that? The process of break down the food into simpler substance which is used our body is called digestion. That means we have to break down the food, not we have to swallow full the food into the stomach. That means we cannot take full the food into the stomach. Small we have to convert the food into the small particles and then we have to eat the food. Okay. So now tell me, when we start eating the food, we just put into the mouth. So the first step of digestion will start from the mouth. Starts from the mouth. The first step will start from the mouth. When we put the food in the mouth, we just chew the food. That means namalaram. We just chew the food, and after it converted into the smaller particles. After it converted into the smaller particles by using the saliva. By using the saliva only, we can grind the food in our mouth. Okay, we can grind the food in our mouth. After that, we have to swallow the food. First, we have to chew the food and we have to break down the food into the smaller particles and then we have to swallow the food. And after the mouth, it goes into the food pipe. After that, it goes to the food pipe. When we are before that, where our tongue will be there, no? Our tongue will use to round the food and go into the food pipe. And after the food pipe, it goes into the stomach. After the food pipe, it goes into the stomach. In the stomach, we are having the stomach juice. That means which helps to break down the food, to take out the proteins in the food. To take out the proteins in the food, there will be the stomach juice. These juices will help us. These juices will help us to break down, to take out the proteins from the food. To take out the proteins from the food, the juices will help. And another one which is helping to break down the food is enzymes. And another one which is so now if you see here, and the starting one is mouth. The food starting one is mouth. And after that, it goes into the food pipe. After the food, it goes into the food pipe. And the food pipe onwards, we are taking into the stomach. And the food pipe after, we are taking into the stomach. And after that, we are going into the small intestine. Small intestine. And after that, we are converting into the large intestine. And after the last, after we are getting down the food, the waste, and the last stage, it goes from the ends. So before that, enzymes, mouth after it goes to the food pipe, and after stomach. In the stomach, we are separating the proteins. we are separating the proteins by using the stomach juice, and after it goes to the small intestine. That means చిన్నప్రేగు, small intestine. This will be in this, so many juices will be there. In this, so many juices. The mainly one juice will be there here, bile. The main juice is bile. It's come from the liver. It helps to break down the fat items, to break down the fat in our stomach, and it break down the fat into the smaller particles. The main is fat. To break down the fat, the bile juice will help us to break down the fat. So in the small intestine only we are grinding the food. Okay, and the wastage of our body will go to the large intestine, and the small intestine only we are taking all the proteins, minerals, and proteins, fat items. These all we are separating in the small intestine, and the next it goes to the large intestine. In this we are taking the minerals, vitamins, and the minerals. In the large intestine we are taking out in the vitamins and minerals. These are the last stage, and next it goes to the it go to the end. First the digestion system starts from the mouth, and after it go to the food pipe, and after it goes to the stomach, and after it goes to the small intestine, and it after that large intestine, after that anus. Okay, so if you see here also we know that mouth, from the mouth after we are going to the food pipe. Okay, and after it go to the food pipe, and after stomach. In this stomach we are having the food, in that only we are having stomach juice, and after small intestine, and after large intestine, and after last it comes to the anus, the wastage of our body. It comes from the anus. Okay, the wastage of our body comes from the anus. And the next, for taking the good digestion, which is the food items we have to take, not food items. What are the rules we have to follow means, definitely we have to take at the time food. The proper food we have to take at the same time. Okay, and the next, see here, have your food at fixed hours. You have to take your food in the fixed hours. And the next one, you cannot swallow the food. First you have to chew in your mouth. That you have to chew in your mouth, and after only you have to swallow the food. And do not overeat. Do not overeat, and eat healthy and balanced diet. Before, in the previous class only I told about the balanced diet. You have to eat the balanced diet, and clean your mouth after every eat. After every meals you have to clean your mouth and drink plenty of water. Plenty of water is main important to digest the food. Okay, so we learned about the food and digestion. Okay, in the digestion, what is the definition of digestion? Means the process of breakdowning the food into the simpler substance which is used for the body. That we call as a digestion. And digestion system starts from the mouth, and after it goes to food pipe, and the stomach, and smaller intestine, and large intestine, and anus. Okay, so after that, preparing of the food, preservation of the food. Okay, we learn in the next class. Okay, bye students.